A very warm welcome to all of you guys. In this video today we are going to see a very interesting application called as calculator, in which I have used HTML, CSS and bit of JavaScript. Before I actually dive into the coding, let's look at the functionality of the application. For the sake of simplicity, let me take two simple operands. Here I will take 12 and then 3 and then I will perform addition of the same. Then I will get 15. Yes, it is working for plus. Now 15 minus 78. Okay. Now 12 divided by 3. Okay guys, now it is working perfectly for all the operands and all the operators. Now let us dive into the coding part. Okay friends, now this is my particular GitHub repository. You will find the same repository in the description box. Now let us discuss the HTML coding. First of all, in HTML coding, I have used two main tags, head tag and body tag. In the head tag, I have a specified title for the application and then link for style purpose, the style sheet, which is external, and then body tag. In the body tag, I have used div. The class for that div is content, and I have used form in that div, and I have given particular name for that form, that is form 1. Now I have whatever you can see on the application, on the page, it is nothing but basically an input type, one and the other input type. But the screen which you were able to see the operators and operands on, it is the input type text, and the name for that particular input type text is answer, and the ID for the style purpose I have given is calc. Now rest of it, everything you were able to see on the screen, that is basically a button with specified values and on click function after clicking on particular button. Now suppose user clicks on button 1. Now after clicking on button 1, on click function will invoke. Now in on click function I have written a code, form1.answer.value plus is equals to 1. What does it mean? It means whatever value is there in the text which is prior, and now you are clicking on button 1, it means 1 will be appended to the existing value. 1 will be appended to the pre-existing value that is in the input box. Right? Now it will happen for 2, it will happen for 3, it will happen till dot. Now after dot, on line number 28, there is input type button and whose value is equal to, and now the on click function for this particular operator is slight different, because after clicking on this button, ideally it should show the answer of particular expression. Now on click form1.answer.value is equals to, now that particular value should be shown on the screen on the input type text. So for that we are using eval function, and what this eval function do, it takes the expression and that then find its answer, and then we are assigning that value to the form1.answer.value, means only that value will be displayed on the screen in the input type text. So this is simple coding. And now if user want to erase everything on the screen, now he has a function with name, he has a button with name clear all. When as soon as user clicks on that, on click function will invoke, and after invoking on click function, the form1.answer.value will become null. That time nothing will be shown on the screen on the input type text box, so that what does it mean? It means the expression is erased. This is simple coding for HTML layout. Now let us have a look at designing part of the same application. Okay, now just go into the code and you will find designing code, CSS code in calc.css. This is the universal class, we can say, and the padding is 0, margin is 0, box sizing is border box. Now the content that I had given for that div is wherein the entire calculator is located. That div has class dot content and it has text align center, justify content center, whose width I've given is 330 pixel. Now margin top is 10%. Now this is the body tag. In body tag, background color I have done it black, and then text align center, then justify content center, then display flex I've used particular, and height I've given. Now for every input tag we have text align center, justify content center, height 70 pixel, width 70 pixel, font size 20 pixel, and that ID which was specified for particular form, that was calc, and since ID is specified with the hash, I've specified it with a hash whose width is 294 pixel, background color hash 444. It is a kind of a shade of black color, and then margin bottom is 5 pixel. The margin from bottom that I have given for that form is 5 pixel and color is white. This color is the color of font, the color of text that you were able to see. And hash CLR, this is the ID for the button which is having name of clear all. Now width for that button is 292 pixel and margin from top is 5 pixel, background color is red since it was looking red, color white, font size 20 pixel, and after hovering on input type we must get result in this form. Background color should be red. When I was hovering on any button instead of clear all, it was becoming green, so it is because of this particular code. And transform, when I was clicking, the size of that button was slightly increasing, so for that I have used transform scale 1.2. This is basically a scale from how much amount you have to increase your particular size of that particular tag. Now for color I have just specified it as white. Now clear all, at hover it will show the box shadow that you were able to see in a slight violet color. It was 100 pixel and RGBA. This is the RGBA attributes for that particular color. I hope you understood everything. If you have any doubt, please put it in the comment box. I will say it afterwards.